Okay, so create a new virtual machine. Click on next. I will install operating system later. Okay, next. Yes, it is Linux, Ubuntu 64-bit. Click on next. Virtual machine name 6 because okay, so next. Store virtual disk in a okay. Yes, move virtual machine to another computer but may reduce performance with very large disk. Okay, so next. Now this is the main step where we have to customize the hardware. Memory you can say 2 GB. Okay, two processors, fine. Now this new CD DVD SATA. Now it is not auto detect. I have to use in that ISO file. This. So I'll click on close and then finish. Now, now it is currently powered off. I can switch it on from here or here. Just click on power on. Select the language as English. Okay. Sorry. Okay, install Lubuntu. Language English. The region or country, territory area. Since India is not mentioned and this is by default, so I'll go for United States. It is clearly mentioned. It is choose other if your location is not listed, but that doesn't matter much. You can try to have a keyboard layout. If you do not want this, you will be able to search your keyboard layout from a list. Detect keyboard layout. I would go for no. English US. Okay. Again, English US. This is done. Now we have to wait for some time till it is there. I'll see other things. Snapshot. How it can be. That edit option. That will take some time. Hostname Ubuntu. I'll click on continue. Full name for the new user. Since it should be a lowercase letter, it is clearly mentioned username should start with lowercase letter which is followed by any combination. Let it be small Ayush. Now the password. I will set only 4-digit numerical password. Re-enter. Now it's a weak password. I'll still go further. The clock is being setting up. Now select your time zone. So I'll go for by default Eastern only. Use entire disk. I'll go for partitioning method. Go on. Write changes to the disk. If you want the following partition to be formatted, click on yes. Now this is the time consuming step. From here the video can be skipped further because I don't know how much time it would take depending on working of my OS. Next it would install softwares also after completion of this step. A bit slower step. So if proxy is needed to connect access the outside world means internet, you can, but if it's not, click on continue. So in my case I'll go for continue without providing any proxy information, keeping that proxy information blank. Let's see how much time it takes. Okay, by that I'll check the recording video time. 8 minutes. Now this is the again a time consuming step depending on working of my OS and PC. bit slower, but we have to do. Yes, we are a bit closer to 100. Okay, software installation done. Now this is the again main step. Install grub bootloader master boot record. It seems that this new installation is only operating system on the computer, so it should be safe to install grub bootloader to master boot record of your first hard drive. Warning: if installer failed to detect another operating system that is present on your computer, modifying the master boot record will make operating system temporarily mutable, though grub can be manipulated later. Boot. Install grub booter. I would go yes. I hope it works. Finishing the installation. Clock we can set later on. It is not much important for us, so I'll go for yes. Now installation complete. Click on continue. Finish. Now let's wait. Okay, so we are here. Congratulations, your Linux is installed now. So I'll enter the password. And here, now before this, one main step. When you are done and the operating system boots up, click I finish installing. So I finish installing. Now here you can see we have accessories, graphics, internet, which we can later set on. System tools, preferences, run. This is our trash can. Nothing. Documents. Where? Okay, so I'll just show you some downloads, videos, pictures. Now free space of 15.2 GB, total 19.6 GB, because some pre-installed softwares are also there. So here we have completed the experiment. So thank you. And finally I would shut it down. You can change the time also if it is necessary, if you require digital clock settings, like here it is clock format tool and all that, but that's not necessary for now. So click on shut down, and here it is shutting down. So our Linux is installed, and here we have completed this experiment. So thank you very much.